All right, guys, just want to show you real quick how to vault a Darkfarms card. It's pretty easy. Here I am on the Emblem Finance site. If you're on Emblem Finance, emblem.finance, you can just click Create Curated right here in the top left-hand corner. Then what you want to do is you're going to connect your wallet. So this is your Ethereum MetaMask wallet that you're going to hold the asset in. Then you're going to click the drop-down arrow here and just scroll down to see Darkfarms. And then you're going to click the down arrow and select your card. And so I'm selecting Spell, where is it? LMNOP, Spell a Friend. That's the one I'm going to use. There it is. It populates. You can see the card there itself. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click Create Darkfarms Vault. And that's going to take a few seconds. If anything gets interrupted or it doesn't seem to work, you can click on My Vaults in the top left-hand corner and then go to your Unvaulted. You can see it actually, it glitches there for a second. That's normal. So, but just in case, just leave it as it is. And it usually takes about, what'd that take? 15 seconds. But if not, you can always go back to My Vaults here and find it in the kind of unminted section. But so here it is. And what you're going to do, you can see the owner right now. There is no owner because it hasn't been minted yet. What I'm going to actually do is I'm going to copy this address right here by clicking on it and then click copy, and it'll say copied. And then I'm going to go to my Counterparty wallet and I'm going to send one of those cards to this address. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to go head over to my Counterparty wallet and actually send this card to this address, okay? It can't mint the vault until it's actually sent in. So I'm going to go send that right now. I'm going to click it again, copy this address, and send it into this vault, and then proceed with this process. So I've now sent the card to this address. So this address, remember, this wallet is actually held in this vault. Okay, so I've sent the card to this address. It's going to take a bit. You know, that's just dependent on the Bitcoin blockchain. And so what I can do here is I can click Refresh Balances right here, and it'll refresh. But, you know, this can take 10 minutes to an hour, depending on, you know, Bitcoin and all that sort of stuff. So just give it some time. Just come back here and refresh, and we'll wait for it to hit the vault. All right, so you can see it now. It's actually in the vault, and you can always, here on Emblem, you can always click View NFT, and that'll take you to the Exchange page where you can verify the card always. Very cool. And so what I'm going to click now is I'm just going to click Mint Vault. That's going to give me a MetaMask signature request. I'm going to sign it and give it a second. It's going to give me a gas transaction. It's super high right now. I mean, the Ethereum is totally bogged down. It's a $20 fee for Emblem. That's the minting cost plus gas, another $40 or so, because it's so crazy right now. I'm going to confirm that, and it's going to mint. It's going to take a little bit of time, and you can see down here it says Minting Vault. So we'll give it a little bit of time. That was actually surprisingly fast. That only took like 30 seconds. The page refreshed. You can always refresh the page as well. And once it did, here these pop up. You can see I'm now the owner. My wallet address is now the owner of the vault. And I can click on OpenSea, and this will take me to the OpenSea page. The image won't necessarily populate right away. What you can do is just click the three dots in the top right hand corner and click Refresh Metadata. Give that a few seconds, and the image should update. You can also click on the Looksware button, and this will take you to the Looksware page. You can see the image is already populated there as well. You can always, if the image isn't working, just click refresh here. So if you refresh it first on Looksware and then go to OpenSea, it usually refreshes pretty quick. Just refresh that metadata. And that's it, guys. You can, buy and sell it on OpenSea, just like any Ethereum NFT. And that should do it. I hope that helps. Hit me up in the DMs if you have any questions. And go Dark Farms.